sprayed all the cabinets so everything looks fresh. We removed the heavy chandelier. And another reason why I suggest when you've got 9 or 8 foot ceilings, this room feels taller now. So the kitchen, this is a perfect example of why you don't need to always constantly gut a kitchen. The cabinet color, actually, this cabinet color is coming back in style. Originally, we were gonna replace the backsplash. We had decided not to because the way they were installed, there was no guarantee that the countertops would have got damaged. It's not everybody's taste, but it's not horrible. Left it, it's cohesive. We changed all the knobs because they were gold before, and we put black in to tie in with the countertops, and did all new faucets and water system, and we glazed the sink. So that's a way that you can make a kitchen look newer without spending a lot of money.
Right.